Hello and welcome, dear YouTubers. You're listening to Let's Review Apps for another app review of me. So, today I'm reviewing Tips and Tricks iPhone Secrets. This is the German version, but I will explain everything, so I have to read this quick. Thanks that I've downloaded this, etc. Blah. Well, reading this, maybe I won't actually show all because I don't know if I'm breaking any copyrights or so. Because I don't think it's legal to show this. So you can tweet that you're reading the app. Okay, that's new to me. I haven't looked in this application for a long time. I think you only should think about purchasing it if you have a new iPhone, because the application contains basic tips, and as I have my iPhone, had my iPhone for like 2 years, I bought it just for fun and wasted. There's a light edition and a normal edition. The normal edition costs $1, and I bought it. And well, for me it was a wasted dollar because I knew everything in this app. So really everything, not a single thing that I didn't knew. But I'm using my iPhone quite often, and so I should know what I'm doing on my iPhone. So, oh, what? I'm clicking and it's switching. I don't think that's supposed to happen. You can scroll here on which page you want to go to. For example, this is the last page. And well, I think these tips are good, but only if you do have your iPhone. Well, I would say for not more than 2 months, or actually less. I'm not sure how fast you guys are learning or getting used to new things, but I found everything out myself, and it's actually clear, the things like double tapping on the home button, what happens, etc. There are people who don't know it, and for them, they they can purchase it, but they can check the light edition, and this is actually it. So this was my review of iPhone tips and tricks. Recorded. This was recorded by Display Recorder. This came in the App Store today, and that's it. See you later, guys. Watch my vids again, at least if you like them. I will post more content. Um, you can bookmark me or subscribe. I would really appreciate if you would like or at least dislike, so I know if my vids are actually helping you. Because I'm trying to help people finding out about applications, etc. So that's it, and see ya, guys.